Man, I'm really enjoying this iPhone silicone case. It's just, I wish it was a bit more luxurious. Like I want my phone to be protected and be luxurious at the same time, but I just don't know if it's possible or not. Wait a minute, what are these? Are these the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro leather cases with MagSafe? Well, I guess we have no choice but to have a look at them today in another super cool unboxing. I am here with the iPhone 12 Pro leather case. I'm actually here with two different models. So this is the saddle brown, which is for me. The California Poppy is for Jeff. But spoiler, he already opened it and has already used it. So I'm not gonna do an unboxing for it because it's already open. But I am gonna go ahead and unbox mine because I literally waited until I recorded this video to unbox it. So I'm literally experiencing it at the same time you guys are. There we go. So that's just it. So that pulls out. So this is kind of a more chocolatey brown color. It's got that nice soft touch on the inside. Like I said in my silicone case unboxing, you want your phone to feel a little bit, comfortable. You want it to feel like it has a pillow. This is gonna give you that. That's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. So it just has some information, high quality, supple leather. Leather is a natural material, like a fine leather belt. It may show creases, marks, or patina over time. Interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints. So it's telling you right there that, using that MagSafe charger, you might have some imprints. So I did actually notice this week on my silicone case, I did have that ring show up for a little bit, but I just wiped it and it was gone. So it is a concern, like I mentioned in this, the silicone case unboxing video. If you are concerned about that, it might, especially with the leather case, leave a ring over time if you plan on using the MagSafe charger. Now, let's get to the other one, which is the California Poppy. Oh, this is closer to that yellow color that they offered with the iPhone 11 last year, but it's actually more of an orange. It's closer to orange this year. This is the one, my case for my iPhone 11. Of course, it still had the same soft inside. I absolutely loved this case. I loved how it changed over time. It ended up being brown. Some of the yellow started to wear off, but I just love how it ended up looking by the end, which is why I was super excited to get another leather case and just the feel of it. Soft leather, and it's just more comfortable to hold my phone, in my opinion. So I know what you're thinking. Why do we both buy silicone cases and then immediately get the leather case as soon as it came out? Well, I'm still gonna use this. This is gonna be like more so for if I do an outdoor run where I might have my phone in my pocket, then I'm gonna use my silicone case because I did kind of mess this case up a lot. I went for a run at Mount Trashmore. It's a local park here, but I went for a run and I had this in my pocket and it got really wet. And I was out there for like hours, so yeah, it did incur some water damage, so I don't want that to happen in my new case. So I'm definitely going to be swapping out cases if I do something, exercise related with my phone. Otherwise, the leather case is going to be my day-to-day case. And I didn't get the yellow this time just because I got a blue phone. I feel like yellow is a good color for a neutral phone. Jeff has a white iPhone 11 Pro. That's why he wanted to get something that stood out more. But yeah, one thing I mentioned in the last video, I didn't actually show it because I think I missed the recording part, was like when you put the MagSafe cases up there, it has a little circle, like kind of like the circle inside of the cases that pops up when you put the case on. So I didn't realize, because I had just been using the black case, that it's literally the color of the case. So like the little circle will pop up and it's the same color of whatever case you put up there. So Jeff realized that when he opened his leather case and he put the California Poppy color, or yellow, it's kind of a yellow. He put that up there and it changed color. Let's put this up here to see if it does this with the brown case. Yep, there it goes. So it does that little circle and it shows the color. I think because the edges are squared off on this phone, it feels a lot more comfortable, and then it just has that really good grip. And then of course with leather, you know, it's gonna patina over time and then it'll change. And if you're into that, you're into that. If you're not, then, you know, don't buy a leather case. But I'm excited. I'm gonna treat my case right this time. And let's just see. So yeah, this is the Pacific Blue iPhone 12. And I got the brown, so I thought it'd be a good contrast. And I also got the Baltic Blue wallet. So once that comes in, so that's gonna be on the back of the phone, hopefully, if it actually works. There's been reports of the magnet not being strong, so we'll see. But I just thought it'd be a good contrast with the blue, and I really like it. So let's try on the California Poppy, even though this is not my case. All right, so I finally got this case up here. And yeah, I like this. It actually looks good with the blue. I'm surprised. I didn't think I would like it with the blue, but it actually looks pretty good. But yep, but here are two of the colors for this year. So Saddle Brown and California Poppy. Another thing that's overall improved from last year's leather cases is, for one, it has the little plastic lip around the camera. It's the same thing they did with the silicone cases, just to offer some additional protection. I do like that. And two, they closed off the bottom to actually cover the ports. So as someone who, on my 11 Pro, I dropped my phone and damaged the lightning port because I was using the case that had open bottom. To me, it is important to have, you know, a little bit of cushion for your ports at the bottom and the speakers after damaging the lightning port, which is like literally the first time I ever done that. But I was using one of these cases that had open bottom. It actually wasn't this case, it was the case I was using before, which was the later case, which is like an ultra thin case. So this case could have possibly protected it, but I just think where it hit, it wouldn't have mattered if I had an open bottom case on. Anyway, so these are $59, so it's $10 more than the silicone one. And they're both great, honestly. So if you're trying to decide between the two, the silicone is honestly really good quality. It's got the soft inside. It's really durable. Like, it's really kind of difficult to bend. Like, it bends enough to get your phone in it, but that's it. It seems like a pretty sturdy case. It covers everything. It has a lip around the camera, covers the ports. And the leather case is the exact same way if you're talking about from a protection standpoint. But with this being leather, you are gonna have to, you know, be a little bit more careful with it. It does have a seal on it, but still it's leather, so it is what it is. Hold on, it's leather. If you're more an outdoorsy person and you drop your phone a lot, then I would just recommend the silicone case if you want like a MagSafe Apple case. But the leather case this year as a case, they did make a lot of improvements from. Also, there's like a little accent on the buttons, kind of like similar to this. These are a little bit more orange this year. And then the brown ones, of course, is like a kind of a copper color. It's funny, like literally when I did the unboxing video last year for this case, I was like, you know, I was all about the cheap cases. And after I went leather case, it's kind of difficult. Like it's difficult to go back. It's just such a nice, it's a niche thing, but it's one of those nice to have things. Very cool cases. They really improved the design this year to make it better at protecting your phone. And you know, with the flat edges on the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, it definitely looks a lot more stylish this year too. I really like the boxy feel and look. I'm keeping this California Poppy one. Sorry, Jeff.
But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe. And I will actually be back on Wednesday with our normal news video to cover the Apple events. So make sure to stick around, and as always, do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace.